Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on Cthe.com. So our today's question is:
the fundamental premise of equity theory is people believe they perform better than others. Cthe, the attempt to pay individuals more equally. People want more rewards than others. See that people continuously monitor the degree to which their work environment is fair. See people inherently believe they are. And answer the question is: the fundamental premise of equity theory is that people continuously monitor the degree to which their work environment is fair.
Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.